Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix Genie. In this video, I'll show you some simple options that how to solve Lenovo laptop display problem. Option 1. Refresh the graphics driver. First, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together. Your screen may blink for a moment and you may hear a beep. This refreshes the graphics driver and can fix temporary display problems. Option 2. Increase screen brightness. If your screen looks too dark, press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to System, then select Display. Find the brightness option and move the slider higher. Now check if you can see the desktop, icons, and text clearly. Option 3. Restart your Lenovo laptop. If the display problem is still there, restart your laptop. Click Start, select the power button, and choose Restart. After your laptop starts again, check if the display is working normally. Option 4. Problem continues, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for an available driver. After the update is complete, restart your laptop.